Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can transfer your image into a anime line art in Canva. So in order to do that, you can open your Canva desktop version. Don't forget to sign in with your account. Next, you can click apps and then click AI powered. Make sure you have a good internet connection for faster generating. Now you can scroll down and try to find anime line art. So you can transform words into vibrant anime art. So anime line art is an innovative app that brings your imagination to life by converting text description into breathtaking anime style line art. So let's start by click use in new design. And here we go. You can describe your anime line art. So you can try an example for practicing a young girl with short hair and backpack standing in front of a school. So in a forest scene with tall trees and clear stream. Robot with friendly smile and light bulb for a head. So let's try to generate. Please wait. This may take a few seconds. And here we go. This is the result. Of a robot with a friendly smile and light bulb for a head. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and click the button below. See you in the next video.